Jose Claveria de Venecia Jr., December 26, 1936, February 10, 2026, also known as JDV, Jodavi or Manong Joe, was a Filipino politician and journalist who served as Speaker of the House of Representatives of the Philippines from 1992 to 1998 and from 2001 to 2008. A member of Laka's CMD, he ran for president in the 1998 election, but lost to Vice President Joseph Estrada, finishing second among 11 candidates. Beginning in 1987, de Venecia was elected to 6 terms as a representative of the 4th District of Pangasinan. He served as Speaker of the House throughout the 9th, 10th, 12th, and 13th Congresses of the Philippines. He had served for more than a year as the House Speaker of the 14th Congress when on February 5, 2008, 174 representatives, or a considerable majority of members of the House, voted to remove de Venecia as Speaker. He was the first Filipino to hold the speakership 5 times in separate terms. De Venecia was born in Dagupan, Pangasinan on December 26, 1936 to Judge Jose R. de Venecia Sr. and Casimira Villamil Claveria. De Venecia came from an influential political family. His grandfather, Guillermo de Venecia, was the municipal president now known as mayor from 1916 to 1918 and from 1925 to 1926. In 1947, he finished his elementary studies at the Dagupan Elementary School, where he was accelerated by 1 year. He completed his secondary education at the De La Salle College High School and finished journalism at the Ateneo de Manila in 1955. As a businessman, de Venecia pioneered overseas contract work for Filipinos, where he was one of the first Philippine prime contractors in the Middle East and North Africa in the mid-1970s. He hired 51,000 Filipinos for his companies and engaged in port operations in Saudi Arabia, agriculture in Africa, and mass housing and oil exploration in the United Arab Emirates. His Middle East initiative was followed and later led to the employment of millions of Filipinos. In the 1970s, he initiated an oil and gas exploration program that led to the first oil and gas strikes in offshore Palawan. He was elected president of the Petroleum Association of the Philippines. De Venecia's first stint in politics was in 1961, when he became a spokesperson for presidential candidate Diosdado Macapagal. During the presidency of Ferdinand Marcos, de Venecia was in the diplomatic service as Minister Economic Counselor from 1966 to 1969. He was also posted to the Philippine Embassy in South Vietnam as press and economic counselor. He conceived and implemented the historic dollar remittance program for overseas Filipino workers worldwide. He ran and won as congressman of the 2nd District of Pangasinan from 1969 to 1972. He was one of the 10 outstanding congressmen before martial law in the Philippines. After the restoration of the House of Representatives in 1987, he ran and won as congressman of the 4th District of Pangasinan. He was one of the co-founders of the Radio Philippines network. NBNZTE scandal. On July 10, 2007, De Venecia's supporters opposed secret balloting by the majority coalition to select the Speaker of the House of Representatives in the 14th Congress. Representative Eduardo Zielchida of Parañaque said the House is not a secret society. Meanwhile, Sorsogon Representative Jose Solis accused De Venecia's son, Jose de Venecia III, of questioning a $330 million broadband connection deal between the Philippine government and Chinese firm ZTE. Solis hit De Venecia III for desiring to have his Amsterdam holdings, Inc. He get the deal, which will connect national government agencies to local government units through the internet and save government up to $3 billion in telephone expenses every year. Solis further claimed that he is a veritable moms and pops enterprise with a reported paid-up capital of only $650,000. Personal life. De Venecia married Victoria Perez, the daughter of Eugenio Perez, who served as Speaker of the House of Representatives from 1946 to 1953. Together, they had 4 children: Alexandra, Leslie, Vivian, and Jose III. Their marriage ended in a divorce, and Perez now lives in Albany, New York. De Venecia then married Georgina Vera Perez, daughter of a film producer. They had 2 children, Christopher and Cristina Casimira KC. Georgina, also known as Manegina, was previously married to construction manager Felipe Cruz, with whom she had 2 children. The former host of a television drama series, she is currently a social worker and a radio host. On December 17, 2004, a fire originating from Christmas tree lights gutted De Venecia's house in Dasmariñas village, Makati. His 16-year-old daughter, KC, died of suffocation after being trapped inside the house. KC's remains were cremated and her ashes were buried at the Santuario de San Antonio Chapel in Makati. Death. On February 10, 2026, De Venecia died at the age of 89. His funeral was first held at the Heritage Memorial Park in Taguig from February 11th to 13th. and then at the Annunciation of the Lord Parish in Bonwan Gesit, Dagupan, from February 14th to 15th. A necrological service for him was held at the Batasang Pambansa on February 16th. His remains were returned to the Heritage Memorial Park for a funeral until February 17th, followed by his interment at the Libingan Ngmga Bayani on February 18th. For more interesting personalities, please do watch our other Who's Who series. Please like, share, and subscribe. Welcome to the amazing world of 1,000 vlogs.